You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It's Tuesday, July 18th. We've got a great show for you today. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. Chipotle is back in the news again for diarrhea reasons. And they have been here before, and this is potentially very bad news for investors and people with the stock. So let's take a look at this here. People are getting sick again. Now, this is just one incident. It popped up on Twitter, but let me tell you, as from, I think it was about a year ago, a little over a year ago, people are still very, very gun shy on this type of thing, with where they had people getting sick at their restaurants, tons of them. So Chipotle shuts down restaurant after customer gets severely ill, with such lovely things as vomiting, diarrhea, severe stomach pain, dehydration, nausea. So they had all of that going on, and not a good dining experience right now for them. So let's go take a look at the stock here. And if you hear children in the background, it's them trying out Breath of the Wild, looking for some Koroks. So just ignore them. So you can see today, once that tweet hit, and they're down 6%. I'm surprised they're not down a lot more. Down 6%. They had, you can see the drop off about what time the news came out, and they've slid down ever since. Let me try that again, where you can, so you can actually see it. My head's not in the way, but there's the drop when the tweet came out, and then they've slid down ever since. This is not a new type of scandal for them. Let me see, it's about 5 year. I mean, they were up $700 a share at one point. And then when everyone started getting sick, it cut in half. They're down in the 300s, but they have dropped substantially today, and they're up 40, now down to 367. So it's bad news for them, and people are gun shy from the last experience when this happens and losing a lot of money. So I would stay away from them in the short term. Now, if you think this is an isolated incident and people are going to forget about it, you've got yourself a 6% pop, right away. It'll pop right back. People have short memories. We talked about before with United, that guy getting dragged out the flight, and everyone said, well, no one's going to fly it. And United's up 10%. So if this is truly an isolated incident and everyone forgets, you got your 6% now. The last time it wasn't, and it kept growing, and people lost half their money. So very dangerous to play around when this happens. So watch out. If you're brave and you think it's isolated and you want to get in and get out, do a trade on it. I've done that type of trade before in the past, and it's worked out very well. The people who are doing it before with Chipotle will tell you, stay away. This could grow into something huge, and you lose half your money. So beware on these type of trades. Not good news. People getting the diarrhea at Chipotle. So bad to see. Let me know if you're going to try and make the 6% back real quick on a bounce from this. You brave enough, or are you staying away? I am staying away. That's it for today's show. You can check us out live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Come chat with us live. Contact the show. The information's on the screen behind me. Give us some feedback. We'd like to know what you would like to see, what we could do to make it better. We want to ultimately grow the community here to get more gamers involved in investing. So thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. See you then.